about it.
I told you about it. Oh, here we go again.
Yeah.
What is it, 69?
This is a 71.
71 Camaro.
Uh-huh.
71 Camaro. So we're trying to see if we make, if this thing will choco. It will go and make some noise before we give in the whole fucking, before we give in the whole, not restoration, because I don't like to use the restoration kind of deal, but a new
life.
a new face. I'm gonna give it a new life, a new power plant. It's gonna look the classic orange power 5.3, something endless, right? Like everybody else. So, like someone say, have you done it yet? I know. I haven't done it just yet, right?
Right.
I haven't done it just yet. So I'm about to try to get it done. Let's see what it does. So, a quarter of the process is already done. Well, no, half of the process, right? Because you already got the engine all painted and blah, 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 ready to go. And then the other engine came out. Now, just the time to get the other one ready. Get the transmission together with the engine, torque converter, engine mounts, everything else.